Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today, we will see Lincoln Welding Generator. Lincoln Electric Holdings Incorporated is an American multinational and global manufacturer of welding products, arc welding equipment, welding accessories, plasma and oxy-fuel cutting equipment and robotic welding systems headquartered in Euclid, Ohio. It has a worldwide network of distributors and sales offices covering more than 160 countries and 42 manufacturing locations in North America, Europe, the Middle East, Asia and Latin America. It also operates manufacturing alliances and joint ventures in 19 countries. The Lincoln Electric Company, US, a global leader, Lincoln Electric offers a comprehensive range of engine-driven welders, from arc welders to multiprocess units. Their focus on innovation, user-friendly features, and global support makes them a strong contender for diverse welding applications. 2. ESAB, US renowned for their robust construction and reliable performance, ESAB provides engine-driven welders built to withstand demanding environments. Their focus on durability, advanced arc control features, and global presence makes them ideal for professional welders tackling challenging projects. 3. MOSA, Italy specializing in compact and lightweight engine-driven welders, MOSA prioritize portability and ease of use. Their focus on user-friendliness, efficient fuel consumption, and affordability makes them ideal for hobbyists, mobile welders, and light fabrication work. Excellent, all-around welder generator capable of up to 575 amps of DC multiprocess welding, 120 by 240 watt single-phase, and 240 watt three-phase auxiliary power. Powered by a 49.4 horsepower Deutz registered trademark symbol TD2.9L4 diesel engine and features patented chopper technology registered trademark symbol and crosslink registered trademark symbol technology. The Vantage registered trademark symbol 549X is a powerful welder generator that packs up to 575 amps of welding output and 19 kilowatts of auxiliary power into a single machine. Housing a compliant 49.4 horsepower engine, the machine meets all state and federal emissions regulations to move freely across state lines without the burden of extra compliance fees. Coupled with a dependable design, the durable Vantage 549X can handle an extensive range of jobs such as heavy-duty carbon arc gouging, large submerged arc wires, and advanced pulse welding. Now better than ever, the machine features crosslink registered trademark symbol technology to provide welders with greater control at the arc to help improve safety, productivity, and weld quality. Choose this machine to handle your next job. Features: Power without boundaries, offers up to 575 amps, IEC rated at 525 amps, of welding current to tackle numerous welding and carbon arc gouging applications. Select one of 5 basic process modes including CC stick, downhill pipe, DC touch start TIG registered trademark symbol, CV wire, or arc gouging mode, which maximizes output for up to 3/8 of an inch. 9.5 mm carbon rods. Generator output provides up to 19 kilowatts of continuous three-phase power to run industrial tools. Expanded welding capabilities utilize customized modes for stainless, aluminum, and steel as well as advanced saw and orbital pipe modes. Features pulse welding capability for better arc control in out-of-position work and low heat input for critical welds. Crosslink registered trademark symbol enabled allows communication through a standard weld cable to enable voltage or current control at the arc without a control cable to help improve safety, quality, and productivity with less trips to the power source and reduced job site clutter. Built-in true voltage technology trademark symbol TVT compensates for voltage drop to further improve operations. Reliable operations, engineered tough, and field-proven for ruggedness and durability to meet the most challenging job site needs and harshest environments. Industrial diesel engine powered by a 49.4 horsepower, turbocharged Duke's registered trademark symbol diesel engine. Runs smooth and quiet while meeting EPA Tier 4 final compliance. Is the welding machine in good overall condition? Is the power cable insulated and free from damage? Are all the switches free from defects? Are the welding cables secured and firmly fitted? Are the welding cables free from damage? Is the electrode holder in good condition? Is the earthing clamp and cable in good condition? Is the welder machine appropriately earthed for all welding, cutting and brushing tasks? Is a fire extinguisher nearby? Is welding personal protective equipment available? Is the work carried out by a competent person?